So today we are going to start problem set 40 of the decimal fraction. Okay. Now, what is in a problem set 40? Now everyone know the quarter, half, and 3/4. Correct, no? So a quarter right, a quarter means what? 1/4. This is in a fraction. A quarter means what? 1/4. 1/4 we can write in a decimal fraction. How will write in a decimal fraction? 0.25. ये जो क्वार्टर है ये वर्ड में ऐसे लिखा जाता है. इन अ फ्रैक्शन इट विल राइट लाइक दिस 1/4 and in a decimal fraction we are writing like this, but all three are same. A quarter means 1/4, 1/4 means 0.25. Correct. Now half means how you will write in a fraction 1/2, and how you can write in a decimal point, decimal fraction 0.50. Okay, 0.50 हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते. Now this 0 is after the number, so it is not having any value, तो इसे हम लोग 0.5 भी लिख सकते हैं. We can write half as a 0.5 also. But suppose ये 0 पहले होता 0.05, तो इसे वैल्यू होता, बट ये 0 डिजिट के बाद है और एंड में है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस 0 इज नॉट हैविंग वैल्यू. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन राइट half as a 0.5 also और 0.5 also. 0.50 भी लिख सकते हैं या फिर 0.5 also we can write. Okay, so half means what? 1/2, and 1/2 means what? 0.50 or 0.5. Okay, now 3/4. Now 3/4. Now 3/4. Now 3/4 means what? 3/4 in a fraction. Fraction में we can write 3/4 as 3/4. Okay, 3/4 is nothing but in a decimal fraction 0.75. Janvi, please lower down beta your hand. If you have any doubt, write down. I'll clear your doubts afterwards. So 3/4 means what? 3/4, and 3/4 means what? 0.75. Again I am repeating. A quarter means 1/4. 1/4 means what? 0.25. We are seeing decimal fraction, that's why we'll take these numbers. क्योंकि हम सिर्फ फ्रैक्शन नहीं पढ़ रहे, हम लोग डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन पढ़ रहे, इसलिए 0.25. Okay, half means what? 1/2. 1/2 is nothing but in decimal fraction 0.50. Okay, or 0.5. 3/4 means 3/4. 3/4 in a decimal fraction 0.75. डेसिमल फॉर्म में हम लोग लिखने वाले हैं क्वार्टर को 0.25, हाफ 0.50 and 3/4 0.75. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now next, if the fraction is given to me, decimal fraction is given to me 1 and a quarter, 1 and a quarter, write this in a decimal form. So how I'll write? अगर ये मुझे दिया है fraction 1 and a quarter, write this in a decimal form. So how I'll write? 1 means 1, my whole number. Now a quarter is a fraction, decimal fraction. So after 1, after whole number, we are putting decimal point. After whole number, we are putting decimal point. And a quarter means what? 0.25. But already on the place of 0, I am having my whole number 1. So I will not write 0. So what I'll write after decimal point? 25. Okay. After decimal point, I'll write? 0.25. Okay. So how I'll write this fraction in a decimal form? 1.25 means what? 1 1/4. 1 1/4. Understood? If the number is given 16 and 3/4. 16 and 3/4. So how I'll write? My 16 is my whole number, so I'll write 16. I'll put the decimal point. Now 3/4 means what? 0.75. But already my whole number is there, so I'll not write 0. So 16 point, after point what will come? After decimal point, what will come? 75. So my answer in a decimal form like this, 16.75. How I'll read this? 16 and 3/4. 16 and 3/4. Understood? If my question is, write 3 and a half. How I'll write 3.5? How I'll write 3.5? 3 and my half is what? 50, or I can write 3.5 also. Correct? No, 3.5. Understood? Instead of writing 0.50, my whole number is there 3, so I'll written here 3, and after decimal point what will come? 50. I told you now only this 0 is not having value, so we can write only 5 also. हम लोग सिर्फ 5 ही लिख सकते. So 3.5 means what? 3.50 or 3.5. Both are correct. Both are correct. Okay. Understood? We know the addition. We know the addition. Now we are going to do the addition of decimal fraction. We are going to do the addition of decimal fraction. If I'm having the numbers 3.14 and 21.6. So how I'll add this? Okay, ये मैं कैसे add करूंगी? Now see, my 3.14. I'll write the number first. मैं यहाँ पे लिख लेती हूँ. So it is easy for me to write 21.6. This is my question. Okay. 3.14 and 21.6. So write the first number 3.14. Now below the decimal point will come. Decimal point के नीचे decimal point आएगा. Okay. Now 21. Now this 1 is on the unit place, so it will come below 2. Below 3. Sorry. Below 3. ये 1 जो है वो यूनिट प्लेस पे और 3 भी यूनिट प्लेस पे, तो वो यूनिट के कॉलम में आएगा. नाउ दिस 2 इज ऑन द 10th प्लेस, सो 10th प्लेस हियर नो नंबर इज देयर, सो विल राइट दिस 2 एज इट इज. यहाँ पे ऊपर कोई 10th प्लेस का नंबर नहीं, तो हम लोग उसे नीचे लिख देंगे 10th प्लेस के कॉलम पे. ओके. नाउ दिस 6 आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट, दिस 6 इज ऑन द 10th प्लेस. ओके. So this 1 is on the 10th place, so I'll write 6 below 1. Okay. And here below this 4 on the 100th place no number is there, so I'll put 0. ठीक है. जहाँ पे कोई नंबर नहीं रहेगा तो वहां पे हम लोग क्या पुट करेंगे? 0, because this 0 is not having any value. Correct? No. After decimal point, if the 0 comes at the last, at the end, that 0 is not having a value. तो ये 0 मैंने लिखा क्या और नहीं लिखा क्या, कुछ फर्क नहीं गिरता. But for the addition I'll write here 0. Okay. Okay. So how I'll write? Below the decimal point will come, and on the places, on the unit place the unit number will go, on the 10th place 10th place number will go. Okay. तो अब हम लोग एडिशन करेंगे, एंड एडिशन द प्रोसीजर इज सेम. एडिशन करने का प्रोसीजर सेम है. ओके. सो आई विल गिव द एडिशन साइन, प्लस साइन. नाउ 4 plus 0 4, 1 plus 6 7. Now decimal point will come down, because after 2 places, before 2 places decimal point is there, so this before these 2 places decimal point will come in the answer also. Okay. So decimal point के नीचे decimal point आ गया, आंसर में भी. Now 3 plus 1 4 and 2 will come as it is. 2 will come as it is. Correct? Correct, no? So my answer is 24.74. 24.74. Okay? Okay, students? Very simple. Addition बहुत simple है. If my question is 118.72 and 13.19. So how I'll add? How I'll add? Okay? ऐसे दिया है क्वेश्चन तो मैं कैसे एडिशन करूंगी? Add this decimal fraction. So how I'll add 218.72? I'll write as it is. Okay. Now question is next fraction is 13.19. So how I'll write this? Below the decimal point, I'll put the decimal point. Now this 3 is on the unit place, so this will come below 8. This 1 is on the 10th place, so it will come below 1. Now after decimal point, this 1 is on the 10th place, so it will come below 7. And this 9 is on the 100th place, so it will come below the 2 in the 100th column. Correct? Now we'll do the addition. Correct? 2 plus 9, 11. Write 1 here, carry over 1 over here. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. Now, decimal point will come because in the question, after decimal point, 2 places are there. So, in the answer, before 2 places, decimal point will come. Question में 2 place के बाद decimal point है, तो answer में 2 places के पहले decimal point आएगा. Now, 8 plus 3, 11. So, 1 here, carry over 1. Okay. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 2 will come as it is. So my answer is 231.91. 231.91. Very simple. And addition के जैसा ही subtraction है. The procedure is same. Write the decimal point below the decimal point. Write the numbers on its correct places. Numbers को उनके correct places पे लिखना and we'll do the subtraction. और subtraction करना और कुछ अलग नहीं है. Okay. So today we are going to start problem set 40. Okay. Which is based on the half, quarter, 3 quarters. Okay. Now, to read the following fractions and we have to read this fraction and write the following fraction as fraction. So first 2.5. 2.5 5 0. 2.5. So we have written here 2.5. Next 2 quarter. 2 and quarter, what will come? 0.25, 0.5 or 0.5 will come. Quarter पूछा है. So 2.25. Okay. So you can give the answer. Now we are going to solve problem set 41. There is some network issue. Okay. So problem set 41. Convert the following into decimal fraction and add them. Convert question number 1. Convert the following into decimal fraction and add them. Now only we have seen how to convert this in a decimal fraction. So 1.5 meter. 1.5 means what will come? 5 0. 1.5 meter and 2.5 meter. Meter we can will write this meter up. Okay, unit we will write 2.5 meter. So 2.5 meter wall means what? 2.50 meter. Now we have converted this fraction in a decimal fraction. Now we have to add them. So we'll put the decimal point. देखो decimal point के नीचे decimal point आ गया है. Okay. Now 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10. So I'll put 0. I'll carry over 1 here. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. अब decimal point के नीचे decimal point आएगा. Because in the question after 2 places means 2 place after decimal point 2 places are there. Means in the answer before 2 places the decimal point will come. 2 places के पहले यहाँ पे decimal point आएगा. And which unit is there? Meters. So in the answer also meter unit will come. So when we'll add 1.5 meter and half meters, that time we are getting 4 meters. 4.00 meter means what? Decimal point के बाद 2 zero है. So that 0 is not having value. So our answer is 4 meter. So our answer is 4 meter. Okay. Now next, 6.5 meter. 6.5 meter. 50 meter. Okay, meter. And next, 3.75 meter. 3 and की जगह पे आएगा decimal point. 3.75 meter. 3 quarters means what? 75 meters. Now we have to add them. 0 plus 5. 5 will come. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 कितना होता है? 12. So 12. I'll write 2 here. I'll carry forward 1. Decimal point will come here. Correct? यहाँ पे decimal point आएगा 2 पहले. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So our answer is 10.25 meter. 10.25 meter. When we add 6.5 meter and 3.75 meters, that time we are getting 10.25 meters. बहुत simple सा है. Okay. Next, question number 2. Question number 2. $35.74 and next 816.6. So 816, how I'll write 816? यूनिट के जगह पे यूनिट, टेंस के प्लेस पे टेंस, 100 के प्लेस पे 100. 816.6. This 6 on the 10th place, so it will come below the 7, and on the 100 place no number is there, so what we'll do, we'll put here 0. Okay, now do the addition. 4 plus 0, 4. 7 plus 6, 13. So write 3, carry forward 1. Now decimal point will come in the answer. क्योंकि यहाँ पे डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद 2 प्लेसेस है, तो यहाँ पे भी आंसर में भी डेसिमल पॉइंट के 2 प्लेसेस के पहले डेसिमल पॉइंट आएगा. ओके, नाउ 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus this one, 12. So write 2 here, carry forward 1. Okay, 3 plus 1, 4 and 1, 5. Correct, and 8 will come as it is. So when we add 35.74 and 816.60, that time we are getting 852.34. Okay, simple sa addition hai. Only decimal points is there. Okay, next one is a 41.03. 41.03 and 9.98. So 9.98. We'll do addition. 3 plus 8, tell me. 11. Correct? Carry over 1. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So write 0, carry forward 1. Now decimal point will come here in the answer. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Write 1 here. And carry forward again 1. Okay. Plus 1, 5. So answer will come 51.01. When you add 41.03 and 9.98, that time you are getting answer 51.01. Very simple. Okay. Now we'll see question number 3, and that's sub question second one. 94.7 meter. 94. Wait. 94.7 meter. Okay, and 1738.45 meter. 1738.45 meter. Now see student, I have written directly, but you will see the number will come on its proper place. So this 8 is on the unit place, so I have written on the unit place. This 3 is on the 10th place, so I have written below the 9 because 9 is on the 10th place. So उसके नीचे लिखा. 7 is on 100th place, so I have written here, and 1 is on the 1000th place, so यहाँ पे लिख दिया. But in the above number only after decimal point 10th place is there. तो 7 लिखा है वहां पे, but in the next number 4 will come on the 10th place, and 100 place number is not there in the first decimal fraction, so I'll put 0 after 7. Okay, and downside I'll write 5. Okay, because it is given 45 after decimal point 45 is there, so I have written here 45. Okay, now add this 0 plus 5, 5 will come. Correct? I'll use the next. Okay, so 0 plus 5, 5 will come. 7 plus 4, 11 is there, so 1 will come here and carry forward 1. Okay, now decimal point will come in the answer. 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So write 3, carry forward 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus this 3, 13. Again carry forward 1 on the head of 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. And this one will come as it is. So our answer is 1833.15. 15 what? Meter will come. I don't have any space here, so I'll written here down. Meter. What will come? Meter. Because in the question already meter is given. Already unit is given. So in answer also unit will come. Okay. In the answer unit will come. Okay, everyone understood this? Now we'll see the last one of this exercise. Last question. 5158.75 rupees plus 841.25 rupees. 5158.75 rupees plus 841.25 rupees. Correct? ये rupees का sign दे रहा है. Now we'll add 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. So write 0, carry forward 1. 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Write 0, carry forward 1. Decimal point will come in the answer. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Write 0. Okay. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Carry forward 1. 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Again put 0. Carry forward 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Write 0. Carry forward 1. 1 plus 5 plus 1, 6. So answer is 6,000.00. 6,000.00 means what? Rupees 6,000 only. क्योंकि डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद 2 0 है तो उस 0 को कुछ वैल्यू नहीं. So our answer is 6,000. Our answer is 6,000. Okay, understood everyone? Now this is question. Now we are going to solve problem set 42. We are going to solve problem set 42, and 42 is subtraction. 42 is what? Subtraction. Problem set किसका है? Subtraction का है. Okay. So subtract the following. We have to subtract the decimal fraction. So first one, method is same. 25.74 minus 30.42. Okay. 4 minus 2, 2, 7 minus 4, 3, correct? There is network issue from my side. I am having range, but still why it is I am going again and again out of the meeting, I don't know. नहीं समझ में आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है. Okay, so 25.74 minus 13.2. So 4 minus 2, 2 will come. 7 minus 3, 3 will come. Decimal point will come in answer because दो places are decimal point के बाद दो places है. So in answer before two places decimal point will come. 5 minus 3, 2, and minus 1 is 1. Procedure is same. Okay. So I hope everyone understood the first one. 25 minus 7 for minus 25.74 minus 30.42. Okay, now we'll solve the third one. 63.4 minus 10.8. 63.4 minus 31.8. Now, this student, 4 minus 8 is not possible. So what we'll do? We'll borrow. So this 4 will borrow. Very sorry, student. So 63.4 minus 31.8. Now 4 minus 8 is not possible. So what this 4 will do? This 4 will get 1 from this 4 is there and it gives 1 this 4. So here 2 will remain. Okay. अब कितना बचा? 2. So 14 minus 8 is possible. 14 minus 8 is 6. Now this point will come because question of so we were solving this problem 63.4 minus 31.8. I told you this 4 will borrow 1 from this 3. So 3 gives 1 to here, 2 will remain. So 14 minus 8 is 6. After decimal point, 1 place is there in the question. So before 1 place, decimal point will come in the answer. So 6 के पहले यहाँ पे decimal point आएगा. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 6 minus 3 is again 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So our answer is 31.6. When we subtract 63.4 from 31.6, 63.4 minus 31.8, that time we are getting answer 31.6. Very simple. We'll solve the sixth one. I'm taking random examples because it is very easy. Okay, sixth one, 8.23 minus 5.45. 5.45. Now tell me, 3 minus 5 is possible? No. So what this 3 will do? This 3 will borrow 1 from this 2. So here number is 13 and 2 के पास कितना बच जाएगा? 1. So 1 will remain. Now 13 minus 5 is 8. So it will remain over here. 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 possible है क्या? No. So what this 1 will do? This 1 will borrow 1 from this 8. So 8 के पास बचा 7 and this 8 gives 1. So here number is 11. So 11 minus 4. Now it is possible. 11 minus 4 is 7. 11 में से 4 minus करते तो क्या आएगा? 7. Now decimal point will come in the answer. Now 7 minus 5, 2 will remain. Okay. So answer is 2.78. 2.78. Simple सा है subtraction. Okay. And I am solving the 8th one. 78.03 minus 41.6. Okay. We'll solve this one. 78.03 minus 41.6. Now here no number is there, so what will put here? 0. Okay. 3 minus 0, 3 will come. 0 minus 6 is not possible. So what this 0 will do? This 0 will borrow 1 from this 8. So 8 ने 1 दे दिया तो यहाँ हुआ 10. And how many remains near 8? 7. Okay. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Now put the decimal point in the answer. 7 minus 1, 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. And 7 minus 4 is 3. So our answer is 36.43. 36.43. Very simple one. Okay. Now, here we finish the question number 1. Okay. Now what is the question number 2? Vrinda was 1.48 meter tall. Vrinda was 1.48 meter tall. Tell me the height of Vrinda. 1.48 meter tall. Now she is 1.48 meter tall. But after a year, her height became 1.53. वृंदा का हाइट था 1.48 मीटर. ओके. एंड आफ्टर अ ईयर, एक साल बाद उसका हाइट कितना हुआ? 1.53 मीटर. सो हाउ मेनी सेंटीमीटर्स डिड हर हाइट इंक्रीज इन अ ईयर? तो उसका हाइट 1 ईयर में कितने सेंटीमीटर से इंक्रीज हुआ? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट. सो वृंदा's हाइट इज बिफोर 1 ईयर इज 1.48 मीटर. करेक्ट. एंड after a year her height is 1.53 मीटर. तो उसका हाइट कितना बड़ा ये हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके. सो व्हाइल डूइंग सब्ट्रैक्शन वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग फ्रॉम बिगर नंबर टू स्मॉलर नंबर. बिगर नंबर में से हम लोग स्मॉलर नंबर माइनस करते. करेक्ट. सो हियर बिगर नंबर इज व्हाट? 1.53 मीटर. ओके. हर हाइट आफ्टर अ ईयर एंड बिफोर अ ईयर, एक साल पहले उसका हाइट कितना था? 1.48 meter. Correct. 1.48 meter. So by how many centimeter her height increase? We have to find out that. So 3 minus 8 is possible? No. So what this 3 will do? This 3 will borrow 1 from this 5. So your number is 13. And 5 के पास कितना बचा? 4, because this 5 gives 1 to this 3. Okay. Now 13 minus 8 is 13 minus 8 कितना होता है? 5. 4 minus 4, 0. Now decimal point will come in the answer. So we'll write here 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now in the question, meter unit is given. So in the answer also unit will come, meter will come. So answer is 0.05 meter. So after a year, her height increased by 0.05 मीटर. वृंदा का हाइट कितना बढ़ा एक साल में? 0.05 मीटर. Okay, so I hope everyone understood addition and subtraction, correct? So here we finish the problem set, for chapter number 9 also. Okay,